Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. It's very simple and easy, but it's very useful. Now let's start. First, open Google Map on your phone. Then tap on profile picture icon. Now tap on settings. Scroll down and tap on navigation settings. Under the sound and voice tab, you can find an option that is mute state. Here are three options: muted, alert only, and unmuted. If you want to enable voice navigation on your Google Map, then tap on unmuted. See here, tap on unmuted. If you tap on muted, then again voice navigation off. To again turn it on, then again tap on unmuted. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.